Is it time to buy or sell Dollar General stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Dollar General. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 28, 2025, our system has ranked Dollar General as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock rests in the center of a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, with indications of a further rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 2.53% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 8.26% to positive 7.35%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 51.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 24.24% and 60.38% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $138.79 and $179.16. Our latest daily update for Dollar General includes the headline, Dollar General Corporation stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Dollar General Corporation stock price increased by 0.459% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. It rose from $111.20 to $111.71. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.81%, with a low of $105.69 and a high of $115. The price has dropped in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 2.61% over this period. Additionally, the volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 5 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 7 million shares changed hands for approximately $828,670,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $117.95, while the lowest price was $66.43. Currently, the price stands 5.29%, or $6.24, below the 52-week high, and 57.4%, or $150.50, below the all-time high reached on April 21, 2022, when the price peaked at $262.21. Dollar General has just reported the second quarter results for 2025, surpassing expectations with revenue totaling $10.73 billion, margin expansion, and an updated full-year outlook. However, the stock experienced a dip after management pointed out pressure on low-income consumers. The company is also aggressively rolling out a growth plan, with nearly 4,900 store projects slated for this year and rapid grocery delivery in under 1 hour through DoorDash and Uber Eats. This strategy positions Dollar General in direct competition with Amazon for convenience and perishable sales in rural markets. In the short term, the earnings beat and upgraded guidance may foster positive sentiment and could lead to a rise in the stock. However, the caution regarding consumer stress explains today's volatility and may keep investors on edge until same-store sales and margins demonstrate stability. Over the longer term, the combination of store expansion, faster delivery, and margin gains provides a clear path for revenue and market share growth, assuming execution goes smoothly. On the other hand, ongoing pressure on Dollar General's core low-income customers or challenges in the rollout could limit potential upside and compress multiples. Keep an eye on upcoming comparable store sales, margin trends, and the delivery rollout as key catalysts. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Truist Financial assigned DG a hold grade alongside a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned DG a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned DG a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned DG an outperform grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DG a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general, neutral rating to Dollar General stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Dollar General. The Dollar General Corporation stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, presenting a positive forecast. If the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $112.21. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $111.34. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. Some negative signals have also emerged, and these may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 8, 2025, and so far it has decreased by 3.96%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivot, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 119 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 118 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Dollar General. Dollar General Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $111.51. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $9.31, which is an increase of 8.81% between its high and low. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Dollar General, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, frequently observed in companies with established track records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.56. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Dollar General. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Dollar General is at $111.77. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Dollar General encounters its first support level at $111.51. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Dollar General from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of June, 2025, Emily C. Taylor conducted an insider sale of 1,969 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Kathleen A. Reardon conducted an insider purchase of 3,588 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Kathleen A. Reardon conducted an insider sale of 2,850 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Kathleen A. Reardon conducted another insider sale of 3,588 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Kathleen A. Reardon also conducted an insider sale of 3,588 shares of employee stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 66.234. Overall, insiders purchased 379,335 shares and sold 81,094 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $106.35, reflecting a decrease of 4.8%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a reduced level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 14 days ago. Is Dollar General stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Dollar General Corporation stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we expect Dollar General to open lower by 91 cents, starting trading at $110.80. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.